Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Odoo Pipedrive connector in Odoo by Browseinfo. This enables seamless integration between Odoo and Pipedrive CRM, allowing businesses to sync leads, deals, contacts, and activity across both platforms. This connector eliminates manual data entry, ensure real-time updates, and enhance sale pipeline visibility, helping team work more efficiently and maintain consistent custom data throughout the sales process. So first of all, we will go into the settings. Here under user and companies, we will go into the users. Here you will find a user for Michelle admin, go into that, and here you will find a checkbox for Pipedrive connector. Enable that checkbox and save this configuration. Now go to your home page and refresh your home page. Here you can see a Pipedrive module will appear. Open that and here you can see the Pipedrive dashboard. So we will go into the configuration and here you need to create a Pipedrive configuration. Here I have already created my Pipedrive configuration in the name of Browseinfo. So I'm just editing the name to Browseinfo Pipedrive. After this I'm just going to save this, and under that you can see that API token. You need to enter the API token and company domain. Under that you can see the base URL. Now here you will find a verify button. After clicking on that, the state will change to verified. Now here you can see the tab for opportunities and leads, products, organization and contacts. So one by one we are going to do the import and export for all of them. Here you can see the Pipedrive dashboard. Here you can see we have created our account in Pipedrive. So we will come into the Odoo interface, and first of all we are going to import some opportunities. So just click on import now, and here you can see the opportunities are imported successfully. To check that, we will go into the dashboard. So first of all we will go into the dashboard, and in here you can see that recent Pipedrive deals. Here you can see the opportunities which we have imported from the Pipedrive into the Odoo. Here you can open it and you can see the name. Here you can see everything regarding the Pipedrive in here. Now if we go into the CRM module, here also you can see the pipeline in here. You can see the opportunities in here also. You can see the state for the opportunity has also been imported. You can see if we go into our Pipedrive and if we go into the deals, here you can see all the opportunities with its states. Here you can see qualified has 2 opportunities and everything. So here we will come and see the qualified has 2 opportunities imported into the CRM. And you can see for the contact mode stage, you can see contact made stage, and here you can see its opportunity. For the proposal made, prospect quantities, here qualified, you can see every stage and its opportunity is imported into the Odoo. Here you can see needs defined and negotiations started has no this state has no opportunity, so it has not been imported. Now we will go into the Pipedrive again, and here you can see Pipedrive leads and deals, which is 5. Now we will go into the configuration, and now we are going to export some opportunities into the Pipedrive. So click on export now, and here you can see 18 opportunities is exported to the Pipedrive. So we will go into the dashboard, and here you can see the count has become 22, and also you can see the count has become 22. Open that, and here you can see all the opportunities which we have exported from the Odoo into our Pipedrive. So we will go into the Pipedrive and we are going to refresh our page, and here you can see all the opportunities which we have exported from the Odoo into our Pipedrive. You can see the stage and its opportunity under that. You can see every stage is also exported from the Odoo. Here you can see the opportunities and its stage in here. Now, after this again we will come into the Odoo interface. We will go into the Pipedrive configuration and we are going to import some leads now. So we will go into the leads tab and click on import now. You can see 2 leads has been imported into the Odoo. So to check that, we will go into the dashboard and here you can see the leads which we have imported into the Odoo from the Pipedrive. You can see email, phone, date and everything in here. You can open it and you can check the lead in here. And you can also see the activities in that. We will go into the CRM to check the leads. Here you will find the leads. And we are just going to search our leads which we just imported. So I'm just going to write browse info. And here you can see the 2 leads which we imported into the Odoo. You can open and you can check the leads in here also. Now we will go into the Pipedrive and here we can see the leads. You can see the 2 leads which we imported into the Odoo. Here you can see the leads, title, activity, label, source, origin and everything. If you open the lead, here you can see the activity planned for the lead. The activities has also been imported into the Odoo from the Pipedrive. For the second lead also, you can see call and email has been scheduled from the Pipedrive. So now again we will go into the Pipedrive in the configuration. We are going to export some leads now. So click on export now and you can see the 22 leads is exported to the Pipedrive. So we will go into the Pipedrive, we will refresh our leads page and here you can see all the leads is exported into the Pipedrive from the Odoo. You can see the title, next activity, label, source, origin, lead created and the owner. In here you can see all the fields which we have exported from the Odoo into the Pipedrive. Now after the leads we are going to import and export some products. So we will go into the product tab and we are going to click on import now. Here you can see 3 products has been imported into the Odoo from Pipedrive. So we will go into the dashboard and here you can see the Pipedrive products. Open that and here you will find the 3 products which we imported into the Odoo from the Pipedrive. So to check that, we will go into the sales, we will go into the products and in here you can see the product nightstand, table with drawers and table lamp. You can find these 3 products in the Odoo products also. Now if we go into the Pipedrive and if we go into the products, you can see the 3 products which was already into the Pipedrive. Now we will go into the Odoo interface and now we are going to export the products. So we will go into the configuration and we are going into the products and we are going to click on export now. So here you can see the product export for 39 products is completed. We will go into the products and here you can see in the Pipedrive all the products is exported from the Odoo to the Pipedrive is updated into the Pipedrive. Here you can see the name and everything. You can open any one product and you can see the currency, unit price, cost and direct cost and everything in here. Now you can see all the products in here. We will go into the Odoo interface and we are going to import and export some organizations now. To click on import now and here you can see the organization is imported successfully. So to check that, we will go into the dashboard and here you can see the organization which we have imported into the Odoo. You can see all the organizations in here. You can see the different organizations in here. Now we will go into the Pipedrive and we will go into the contacts. Under that you can find the organization option. Go into that and you can see the Pipedrive's organization in here and you can see these organization is imported into the Odoo. Now we are going to export the organization. So click on export now. Here you can see 4 organization has exported into the Pipedrive. So we are going into the Pipedrive and we are going to refresh this page, but here you can see already 4 organization is exported from the Odoo into the pipe drive. Here you can see all the fields also. Now after this we are going to import and export some contacts. So just click on import now under contacts, and here you can see 24 contacts is imported into the Odoo from the pipe drive. To check that, we will go into the dashboard, and here you can see pipe drive contacts. Open that, and here you can see all the contacts which is already present in the pipe drive and is being imported into the Odoo. We will go into the pipe drive and check that. Under contacts only, we will go into the people, and here you can see all the contacts which we imported into the Odoo. Here you can see the organization, email, phone, and every little detail regarding the contact in here. Now we will go into the configuration again, and we are going to export some contacts. So click on export now, and here you can see 29 contacts is exported into the pipe drive from the Odoo. So we'll go into the people in the pipe drive, and here you can see all the contacts which we exported from the Odoo into the pipe drive. You can see the name, organization, email, phone, and everything regarding the contact in here. Now we will go into the dashboard, and here you can see the card for pipe drive leads and deal. You can open and you can see the leads and deal. For the products also, you can open the card and you can see all the products imported or exported from Odoo or to Odoo. Here you can see the pipe drive contacts. You can see all the contacts, and you can see all the organization which we have imported from Odoo or either exported into the Odoo. Here you can see the pipe drive deals by stage. Here you can see every pipe drive details. Now here you can see the recent pipe drive leads. You can see the leads and deals in here. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.